Hello, Cherif Medawar here. I'm a co-author of the book called Successonomics. The book basically gets several money managers and people that actually handle finance, and we wrote it with the Forbes, and we had the opportunity to meet him in person at the Marriott in New York and spend time with him. And I wrote the 12 steps to financial freedom in the book. I think it's very valuable for anyone trying to find out what step they're in and what to do next in a sequential way to achieve the ultimate level. So for instance, just to give you an idea, you can start by getting the education. I'm not talking just academic or professional. You got to have financial education as well. Then you follow that by getting into the right business structure that you can belong in to learn some leadership skills, some sales skills, etc. So you can eventually branch out on your own and either become a business owner or licensed professional that will grow in his or her own profession. Next thing is building credit. So I explain in the book in details how to build personal credit, but also how to build business credit under a separate tax ID, and how you can do that even if you're bankrupt. And then how to flip assets, buy and sell assets, how to reduce taxes legally through tax incentives that are very little known for people. Also how to buy and hold properties, like commercial properties, starting small and growing very big. And how to protect yourself through very ideal, ultimate asset protection structures. All this all the way to the highest level of existence, if you will, when you're able to contribute and share your expertise with others. So I hope you enjoy the book, and if you order it online, you don't even have to wait for the book to be shipped. We have an audio version of it that you can download immediately and start enjoying it. Thank you so much for your interest, and I hope to meet you in person soon.